Okay guys, these things can be possible with the help of IoT. Yes my friends, IoT helps to us with the automation in our house. So in today's video, we will discuss about what is the IoT and what is the basic application of IoT. So let's get started. Hello friends, I am Garner from Sparrow Softtech and welcome to all of you in our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss about the IoT. Yes my friend. First of all, we discuss about what is the IoT and how it's work. After that, we will discuss about what is the basic application and uses of IoT. In our next video, we will also discuss what is the main device used in IoT, what is the actual process of IoT, and many things. So let us start. First, the introduction of IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. Yes, my friend. Industry revolute step by step. Suppose in the 1980s, we will revolute the Industry 1.0. After that, we will revolute the Industry 2.0, 3.0, and now in today's, my friend, we will live revolution of the Industry 4.0. So basically, IoT means Internet of Things. Internet of Things describes that assembled or embedded many software, processing areas, many sensors with the connected by way of the internet. So in the IoT means we will automate some communication words. So in the today's era, we will see IoT in many areas, like we will see in the mobile section, laptops, and home automation. In the future or in the Industry 4.0, we will see IoT in many different things, like industrial things, like machine learning things, like digital things, and any area. So, what is the best example of IoT? We will show the first small clip of basic application of IoT, home automation. Yes, my friend. We will automate our home with the help of IoT. The internet connect should our fan, our CCTV camera, our lights to our device. So it may be possible to automate our home appliance with the help of IoT. In the future, we will also see that our refrigeration automates, our air conditioning automates. Suppose in future, we will also do IoT in our regular life. Suppose you set the alarm 7 a.m. So at the 7 a.m. your door is automatically, your windows or automatically open, your geyser is automatically open, your other things like your cup of coffee is ready, your brush is ready and the set by alarm. So this is the basic things of IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. We will communicate with the device. We will communicate all the device with the help of internet. That's called basic IoT. In the next video, we will discuss about what is the basic device of IoT, how to connect to each other, and how actual process work for the IoT. I hope you guys understand basic things of IoT. If you like that video, then press the like button, subscribe to Sparrow Softtech YouTube channel, and stay with us. Thank you.